Yeah, man, let's come here, you know. Get some fish, you know. Hopefully we bingo today again, you know. I said, boss, fish are active, eh? I shot some fish today. That is it, my peeps. See what we can catch today. You see him? Come in. I'm on a journey. I'm kind of tired, you know. About a mile there right now. Road them smooth and things still, but I don't know, you're out here without fear. So you're outside now, you know. So you're outside now, you know.
Outside for the next banger.
First fish peeps. Okay. Con tap in there. Yeah. I can find a small part. Take that. Yeah. Move back down so. Just hold it stretch. Yeah, hold it in it and come. Go a smaller pot, look a smaller pot. Throw it off. For each one. Swallow sini yan. Saya feel ako makan ng food from yesterday. Eh? Kaya sa good do. Wah, cuka siapa? Tayo macam apa? Ayaw. Bang, jauh ni. Oh God, man. Yang wicked tu eh. Eh. Ini dia bang.
Macam saya zona semua ibe. Masuk mabrong ini, masuk mapasa belum.
Yang gua man. Cuba mo panigo. Kala mawato na ko.
Chupi so. Tengah kuat baik. Ini pasal yang dek.
What ano? 10? Eh? 10 na ka no? Ambay wa kan? 10 na ka? Oo. Sabay. dia bita apa nak flip the water. Ini macam flying confit. Boleh? Oh, thank you.
Nice first one.
How much eh?
Get some birds now.
Yang mana dia bird them mangrove deh. Bird them woolly. Kita pansang. Dia cai go pangkot mengalis tu. Boleh? Boleh, boleh. Habis belak pun ya ke cuman. Yeah man, so the fish them active. I think so. Try to see if we can catch good amount. Something bigger move the net down also. So we'll finally get the net grass. Bigger move it, you know. Yeah, so we can catch also. Oh, some fish over there. So can see them in the sun. Yeah. Kita tak apa nak flip effect ni. Cái woolly param the fish apa? Benar baik. Aku pisah biat. Wah. Fish out. Watch it. Bagus, some woolly fish in front of it. See them? Bagus fit eh. Go la fit. Nah, kita. Kita apa nak fit ni? Nah, kita bus. Patah. Habis aku tak apa ni besok. Oh, dah boleh. Ni mata kita. Oh, boleh. Ambil jangkauannya ke sini. Boleh. Nice buat abang online deh. Rolling bush. Perch. That is it. Nice boy ya. Sim-sim pandang naik atas. Dia mulai nasi orang depan. Seriously emang gue ya. Rolling bush. Kawan pergi ke bush kejap lagi. Bush buồn công nhận sắp bay trơm Pips nậu nàng quả cả buộc bên này chui phối này bình người gì mình làm xong big from it there you go
Now a piece of food.
nào đi lúc xong mua bị mà what's nó chắc cũng có pick even supposed to some ida one pick the boy giving a boy smart ya Madu get right up the tail Bush the fish are smart
Now smarter now.
eh baca
That jolly red crab pot and more.
no man in the worry just have it yeah look see now grab it new attack Rolling dia tak buang apa ya pasal lagi terus an lego small mah mesti sen small awas tim tim ain tu small
Red crab dog was smaller than that.
Billy.
This is that.
Where's the catch? Snook? Snook in big? Jaguar. Snook. 1. 2. What that? Top one. I got you off the top one. You can't go back.
1 degree top one.
Alright. I'll take after me. I'll set bad in it. My peeps, so bush there with the catch? Yeah man. What is 2 snook?
Yes.
1 big top one. That's what I got peeps. This is what 4 point top of that. Eh?
Yeah, man.
4 pound.
I think they have 2 hours good.
And we have 2 good peeps. You see that? So this week has been very successful. Some nice red tilapia and some black one. You know, some African price, what should we call it? There's a bush bingo today.
Yeah, man.
This video don't have to do say me not do no only talking, I'm mostly catching, you see me? Catching. Right now we're gonna take up with it and we're gonna head home now cause the rain also fall out now. Me not have a raincoat today, you see me? Yes man, remember like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We're outside. That's one of my peeps, you see fish them over. See that? Yeah man. See them? From the river to the pot, you know? Don't know man, the whole farm outside. Yeah Joe, right there?
Yeah, fully active.
Fully active, I don't know John, that's my peeps.
Steaming some
Yeah man.
fish.
We're going on a part around so.
Have look of rum.
There yeah, we have rum,
Weed.
so we
And
we have the crackers, XL so on the two.
all when the rum's
Eh.
still have it.
Yeah, that is it my peeps. So remember like, share, subscribe. We are seeing some fish tonight, you know? Yeah man. See what going? That is it.